Hey guys, it's Chris. I hope you're all well. Today I'll show you Unior's headset cup removers, which are compulsory to remove external and semi-internal head cups. Okay, let's hit it. Unior's 1681/4 headset cup remover is compatible with 1 inch, 1 inch 1/8 and 1 inch 1/4 standard cups. The 1681.1/4 headset cup remover is compatible with 1 inch 1/4 and 1 inch and a half headset cup standards. These tools are made from special tool steel and are blackened to DIN 50938 standard. Headset cup removers are used in addition to a mallet, such as the 819A 950. The 4 blades can be easily compressed when inserted from the opposite side. They make a very distinctive sound when correctly installed. The closed side of the tool is reinforced for years of mallet abuse. Once the tool is removed from the headset, blades come back to the natural position. All good. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, don't forget to like it. And if you have any questions concerning these headset cup removers, contact us or your local dealer and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.